Now, let me show you how we can respond to a specific text on your iPhone. Well, we go to the Messages app as usual, and for example, I'm browsing this chat, this conversation, and you can see obviously I can click on the text field and type in a regular message, but if I want to respond to something specific, I find that text bubble from that person, for example this hello, and I can slide the left on it. So I literally grab the text bubble and slide actually to the right like that. So that's what you can see, and there is actually a little arrow which appears, so you make sure that you do it like that, lift your finger, and then now we are specifically replying to that message. So as you can see, I can type in hey back, and we are now inside of a mini conversation within the whole chat, right? So we can exit that by clicking the X button. The conversation goes as usual. So the latest text says, hey, from me. But as you can see, the little icon there is showing us that it is actually in a response, right? In response to that text. So we can bring it back, and that's how we can chat it, specifically reply to that text message. Of course, you can also leave a reaction to that text. So if you hold down on that bubble instead, you can type in things like, or add like a, reaction as I said, or if you hold down on it, you can click on reply as well. And it does exactly the same thing as sliding right on the text bubble. So you have two ways you can reply. You can either hold down on it and click on reply, or slide toward the right like that. So that's how it works. I hope that I was able to explain it properly. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.